We be rising in the heart of nature every day. Join me while I venture outdoors, stay at this cute little cabin, share with you all the food I'm eating, and go biking and snowboarding in nature. Before hitting the road, I started off with a green juice with kale, apple, lemon, ginger, cucumber, and this is just a great way to stay hydrated, get in a lot of minerals, and alkalize the body, and also helps with inflammation. So really good for working out, which I'm going to be doing a lot of on this trip. We're going to be doing a lot of snowboarding and biking outdoors, and so this is what I'm taking on the road. Also brought these Atalfo mangoes. I had 4 of them and they are delicious. It is mango season and I'm in heaven. And then I had a big bowl of organic oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts. Those are high in iron, and oatmeal offers a lot of great B vitamins and protein and long-lasting energy. Also had 2 organic boiled eggs and some green tea. So let's go. So now I'm just gonna make some hot chocolate. So I have some oat milk here. So I got about, how much is that? I'm not measuring right now, but I got about 2 cups of oat milk. Then we're gonna put in about there's 1 tablespoon and another tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then I'm putting in some sweetener, maple syrup. That's probably about a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to put this on the stove, and I just need to find a whisk here. So I'm just gonna bring this to a boil and just stir it, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I found the whisk, and I brought this, put this on high, and I just turned it down now, and I think we're good to go. And I tried it, and it tastes pretty good, so that's for not measuring. Now let's pour it in. I just kind of wing it, and it somehow seems to work out because I've done this before. Look at that, some hot chocolate. Yum. Dinner consisted of rice and this chickpea masala, which was delicious with a whole lot of vegetables. And I'm going to share this recipe very soon, so stay tuned.